Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making a super flavorful South Indian classic Kandi Podi, also called as Paruppu Podi. This lentil spice powder is a perfect accompaniment to rice, idlis or dosas. It's really easy to make and packs a punch of taste. So let's dive right into the recipe. Let us start by roasting the dals. So in a dry pan, start roasting 1 cup of tur dal. Stir it continuously and roast until they turn golden brown. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes on a low to medium flame. Once it is roasted, transfer onto a bowl and keep aside. Now start roasting half cup of chana dal. Roast it until brown and then transfer it to the bowl. Now take half cup of moong dal, roast it till brown and transfer it to the bowl with the tur dal and chana dal. You can add urad dal or masoor dal as well. Now heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan and add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Add 8 to 10 dry red chilies. I have taken a mix of the spicy ones and the Kashmiri red chilies. If you want to adjust the spice levels, feel free to add more or less. Roast for a minute or two to bring out those flavors. I have added a small piece of tamarind, but it is completely optional. Add a pinch of esophagitica or hing and roast it just for 30 seconds. Now take the roasted mix off the heat and transfer it to the bowl with the dals. Let it cool completely. Once everything's cooled down, it's time to grind. Transfer the roasted ingredients into a spice grinder or a blender. Add salt to taste and pulse it into a coarse powder. You can grind it fine if you like, but I prefer a coarser texture. It gives the podi a nice crunch. Your Kandi Podi or Paruppu Podi is ready. Store it in an airtight jar and it will stay fresh for a few weeks. At home, we love it with steamed rice and ghee. You can use it as a chutney powder with idlis or dosas. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.